Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Price Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you all premium collections on Tussar, all fusion ones along with the Kantha, Shibori and some other prints are also there. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and press the like button, so whenever we upload the videos you will get the notification. So let's start with the sari number 1. So as you can see, this is a pure Chhattisgarh Desi Tussar, and then we have done a hand ari work. It's a knot, it's a French knot, and these are all ari with sequences there. So this is a border and pallu. So this is the design which comes through the pallu and border, and all over body it's a booty is there. So this is the booty, it comes all over the sari. So it's a combination of pink and it's a sea green with sequins. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just see the pallu. So it's the base color is a natural Tussar color. This is the all over look of the sari. And the blouse piece, just see the blouse. So blouse is fully neck and sleeves design is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is the chest design. As you can see, the pallu is fully Kantha work. So this is the pallu of the sari, and all over body it's a printed. Just see the color combination. It's a Rani black and orange is there, and this is the border. We have highlighted with the Kantha and knot, French knot is there. So just see the pallu of the sari, and body is fully printed. So just have a look. This is the pallu of the sari, and so please take the screenshot. If anyone wants to book the sari, please take the screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp number. The number is given on the screen. It's 8296897264. So this is the all over look, pallu and blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece, and border is there. The base color is off white and it's a kalamkari print. Just see the color combination. So this is a print which comes all over the sari, and pallu, there is a design on the pallu with Kantha and French knot is there. So this is the pallu of the sari. I'll just show how it will look. So this is the all over look of the sari. So we are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102. It's Kolkata 87. The shop number is 102. So please visit our store. So this is the all over look of the sari, and the blouse piece is there. So this is the blouse piece. So this is the BP, and the border is there. So the base color is the sea green, and just see the Kantha work and French knot. So this is the geometrical design, and just see the crochet lace we have put it, and this is the printed all over the sari. So just see the color combination is only grey and ash. The sari is very sober and very elegant, and just see the pallu. The pallu is fully Kantha and French knot is there with sequence is also there. So this is the all over look of the sari, only pallu and border, and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the sari, and the border is there. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the sari. So this is a combination of peach, and the base color is a natural Tussar color. So this is a hand painting. This is a hand painting, and just see the Kantha work. It's outlined and filled up with the multicolor Kantha stitches. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the all over look. It's a hand painting. It's a totally hand painting. Then we have done a Kantha. And blouse piece is there. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the sari. This is the BP. This is a black and white combination. Just see the print. It's a overlapping print. It's a leaf design, and it's a overlapping print. Then we have done a Kantha outlines. Kantha outline and filled up with the multicolor French knot. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just have a look. This is the all over look, and pallu is there. So this is the pallu of the sari. Just see the pallu. This is all over look. And blouse piece is there. So this is the blouse piece. Comes with the saree. This is the BP. It's a full kalamkari print. Just see the pallu and border. It's filled up with the multicolor kantha. So this is the border and this is the pallu of the saree. So just see the pallu. And all over body it's printed. The only pallu and border is highlighted with the kantha, and all over body it's a printed. And blouse piece is there. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the border. This is a jet black color and it's a hand painting. Everyone will be aware of this design. So it's a bird's hand painting. And then we have done a kantha stitches, as you can see, and mirror ari work. So this is the all over look of the saree. Just have a look. From pallu till shoulder this design will come, and this will come to the skirt with all over body. It's a multicolor mirror ari work is there. Just have a look. So this is the all over look of the saree. And blouse piece is there. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the saree. This is the BP of the saree. Again one more combination on the red and white. So just see the pallu of the saree. It's a kalamkari outline. Then we filled up with the multicolor kantha stitches. So this is the pallu of the saree. And all over body like this. So this is the print which comes all over the saree, and this is the French knot. The kantha will come only on pallu and French knot will come to the border. Pallu is there, so this is the pallu. And the blouse is fully shibori. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the saree. It's a very special saree because the pallu of this is a kalamkari, and all over body it's a shibori, and the blouse is also kalamkari printed. This is the blouse piece. Just have a look. Fully blouse piece printed with the border is there with kantha and French knot. I'll show you again. So this is the pallu of the saree. Just have a look. This is a very special saree. Just have a look. This is one of my favorite one. So this is the all over look of the saree, and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the saree. So this is the last saree of this episode. So it's a kutch work and print combined. So this is the pallu of the saree. I'll just show you the pallu. So this is the pallu of the saree. It's a fully hand Gujarati work or kutch work on the pallu and border, and all over body it's a printed. The base color is a maroon color with the combination of yellow, peach is there. So this is the all over look. This is the all over look of the saree. It's a very nice color combination. So this is the all over look of the saree. This is the border, and see the blouse. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the saree. It's a peach color blouse with borders there. Thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please subscribe our channel to get updates of our new collections. And we are located in Globe Mall. It's a shop number 102. It's a new market, Kolkata 87. For bulk queries and wholesale queries, please do WhatsApp. The number is given on the screen. It's 829-689-7264. COD facilities we are giving only in central Kolkata. For other states, you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So thank you so much and keep share the video.